Google's next big move might be closer than we think, and it could change the way we think about Pixel phones entirely. The Pixel 11 is already stirring up buzz, months before any official launch, and insiders are hinting at a shakeup that could redefine performance, connectivity, and even design. If these leaks are accurate, this isn't just a typical phone upgrade. It's a potential game changer. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Like, share, and subscribe for more! The most talked about rumor right now involves Google potentially switching from Samsung modems to MediaTek's new M90. This is huge because the Pixel 10 stuck with Samsung's Exynos 54009. Even though whispers suggested a change, MediaTek's M90 isn't just a fast modem. It supports dual 5G dual-active connections and claims download speeds of up to 12 Gbps. That means fewer dropped connections, smoother video calls, and lightning-fast downloads. On top of that, AI-driven optimizations promise better battery efficiency, so the Pixel 11 could run cooler and last longer on a single charge. For anyone who's ever felt their phone heat up mid-game or while streaming, this is exciting news. Google isn't alone in experimenting with modems. Apple introduced the C1 modem for the iPhone 16e and upgraded it to the C1X for the iPhone Air. Samsung still relies on Qualcomm for its Galaxy S25 series, though rumors suggest a switch to Exynos 2600 for the S26. The 5G landscape is shifting fast, and Google's rumored move to MediaTek could finally shake up the market. It's one of those subtle changes that actually has a huge impact. Most users don't notice modems directly, but everyone feels better battery life and improved connectivity. Looking at the bigger picture, the Pixel 11 lineup is expected to be more ambitious than ever. We could see the standard Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and possibly a Pro Fold following the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Rumors hint at thinner, lighter designs, which would be a welcome evolution for fans tired of bulky devices. And leaks suggest Google is already working on the third generation foldable internally, codenamed Yogi or 9Y4. This could mean an even more refined folding mechanism, higher durability, or new software features designed for the foldable experience. Meanwhile, Google is also rolling out a slew of new features in its November Pixel drop, showing that the company is innovating both hardware and software. Remix in Google Messages is a standout feature. It allows you to turn photos into AI-generated creations like minifigures or custom edits and share them with anyone, even if they're not on Pixel. If both users are on Pixels, you can trade remix photos back and forth, turning a simple chat into a creative conversation. This feature is currently available in countries like the US, UK, Australia, Canada, India, Ireland, and New Zealand, with more regions and languages coming soon. Theming is finally here too. Pixel users can download a theme pack that applies across their phone. Wallpapers, icons, system sounds, even GIFs. While Google's initial example was tied to the "Wicked for Good" movie, the real appeal is one-click theming, something Pixel users have long wished for. If you've ever envied Samsung users' ability to customize their phones, this is a big step forward. Notification management is getting smarter as well. Google is introducing notification summaries, condensing long group chat messages into digestible updates. This is similar to Apple's approach, though results may vary depending on AI context. By December, AI is expected to go a step further, minimizing or silencing less important notifications, prioritizing only what matters most. For busy professionals or group chat veterans, this could be a subtle but life-saving improvement. Scam detection is expanding from calls to messages, alerting users to potential fraud in chat apps. This is especially valuable for people who aren't tech-savvy, providing an extra layer of security without constant monitoring. Pixel VIP features are also being upgraded. Messages from VIP contacts are prioritized, and alerts will notify you if VIPs are in areas affected by floods, wildfires, or earthquakes. For anyone with loved ones in disaster-prone regions, this could be a lifesaver. Google Maps is getting a power-saving mode that reduces refresh rates, switches to grayscale, but keeps navigation functional, saving significant battery. This is currently available on the Pixel 10 series, but it hints at how Google is thinking about efficiency at a system-wide level. Call Notes, which transcribes and summarizes calls, is expanding to new regions including Australia, Canada, UK, Ireland, and Japan for Pixel 9 and above, as excluding the 9A. Magic Q edits in Google Photos now allow conversational tweaks, like removing sunglasses from a person in a photo, making creative edits accessible to everyone. All of this shows that Google isn't just chasing specs. They're building a smarter, safer, and more personal ecosystem. Now imagine combining these software innovations with the rumored Pixel 11 hardware upgrades. MediaTek's M90 modem, Tensor G6 processor, foldable improvements, lighter and thinner designs. This could make 2026 a landmark year for Google, with a Pixel lineup that finally matches or even exceeds competitors in speed, connectivity, design, and AI-driven features. Of course, all of this is still speculative. Google hasn't confirmed anything, and leaks only tell part of the story. But considering the long-standing partnership with Samsung on Tensor chipsets, a shift to MediaTek would be a bold, unprecedented move. If accurate, it signals Google's willingness to innovate at a core level, not just tweak cameras or colors. For Pixel fans, this is exciting. For the wider market, it's a subtle but significant shake-up that could push competitors to rethink their 5G strategies as well. So, what do you think? Would a MediaTek-powered Pixel 11 make you switch from your current phone? Or are you more intrigued by the rumored foldable and design upgrades? Could Google finally deliver a phone that feels ahead of its time in every way? Connectivity, AI features, battery life, and design. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's get the conversation started. Until next time, stay tech-savvy, stay curious, and keep exploring the future of mobile technology.